Hello, I have a 6 by 8 inch canvas. I'm Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery, and if I can get some mead and black paint to come out of this, that'd be really cool. And I think a small spatula would be more than enough. Not trying to make anything specific. I will wipe that off in between and try and dry it. And I've got some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, and I guess I'm lucky it's coming out. A little sour lemon with holly berry. Some dancing fuchsia. That was a Prizm pour. Holly berry is purely pigment. This is a purely pigment. Got Chrysacola. And I've got colored cell activators. And what am I going to do with them? I'm going to use the Atelier red orange as soon as I can get the top free. Which seems to be difficult at the moment, but I've got it. I want some more yellow. I guess instead of yellow, I'm going to just go back to what I started with. I'm going to use a little bit of Love You Pink. It's time to make some more of this color. I want that. So I'm thinking more dancing fuchsia. I'm going to wipe that spatula off because it's very schmutzy. And I think I'm going to combine the red orange, the dancing fuchsia. Whoa. That is not useful. Whoops. I kind of want some white, and I made up a new batch of white yesterday. And luckily I am able to get the top open with one hand. This was my warm-up, so I could fearlessly paint on something I started yesterday. Wipe that off. I think a little bit of saffron is in order, if I can get it open in time. And my tweezers are handy, so maybe I can awfully small canvas. So I kind of want some black again. I don't say, I said again, but I definitely mean just black. I could blow that. Trying hard not to make any mud. I'm going to play with some dioxazine purple. Right in the middle. And then, what am I going to do then? I'm going to grab one of these tools. Not sure about the rest of that. You know what? I've got some black and I can use it. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I'm kind of having a good time. Trying out a bunch of different things. Getting warmed up. I really just want to swipe with some white. Actually, I've got the white and the clear, which I'm really interested in seeing what happens with. Not sure I'm all that happy with that. But I'm getting happier as I play with it. It doesn't dry very dark. Or very white is more like the appropriate term. Drop a little more gold in there. If it can. I think the last thing I want to do is add a little bit more Dancing Fuchsia. Pick up my straw that I've obviously moved somewhere else. That black started to dry already. I actually like that. Let's see what my little silicone tool will do. Alright, I have to say that's pretty much it. I'm not even sure I can zoom in enough to show you that, but I can try. Ooh. So, I think I said Decor Americana 24 karat gold, and I'm pretty sure I said Meeden. And the white was a combination of the clear Vivid Intense with white Vivid Intense. The purple cell activator was Dioxazine Purple from Master's Touch with Australian Floetrol. All my cell activators are basically mixed with Australian Floetrol. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.